Hello friends, hope you are doing good and hope your trading day was on Friday was very good. So as told that Nifty will make 14,930. So it is a gap up and it went to 14,930. So the target what I was giving from 3 to 4 videos, it has been achieved. So most probably you might have exited or as of now I have exited my long position. So I'm waiting for a Nifty to fall. Okay, I'm not expecting this much it will fall. At least this Nifty should be falling with a the pattern like this or with a pattern like this. So whatever is the fall, we'll check again. Okay, but this is where it should fall because this is the fifth move of this whole move. Okay, this for this whole move it is the fifth move, and now another move will be coming downwards, which I think it will make two, until unless this support is not broken. Okay, this I was telling from long. You can see my 1 week whole video. All the videos are recorded, and it is not like that I am giving the target or something like that new now. Okay, 14,930 what I was telling is that it is not now. Okay, it was from a week video. From all the week I was telling that it will go to 14,930, where it will complete the fifth of move, and 14,930 is the achievable target. It is not like that it cannot go. Okay, Nifty can go above 15,000 in 15,200, 14,930 to 15,200. So 15,200 was what I was saying, but that is the optimistic target. Means that is a very hard to achieve or something like that. It can extend, it will fall, it will go. It like not like that. It in one day it will go. So 14,930 was a smooth target what I was giving, and it has not broken anything. No trend line. And our moving average support also, it was going like this for 13 days moving average support, 13 days moving average low, it has not come. Okay, so it was going smoothly in a trend. So whenever it was going in a trend, you should ride the trend and you should take the profit. I am not a day-to-day trader. I mean, so not daily trading. Okay, intraday I was not doing. So because intraday, if you want 50 rupees today, and tomorrow if you lost 50 rupees, what is the meaning? Means 100 minus 50 will be always 50 rupees loss only, 50 rupees profit and 50 rupees loss. Now in a positional trade, suppose in a 2 days you earn 100 this one you have not done intraday. Okay, 50 rupees loss you have not made. So what you are doing, for in 2 days you made a 100 rupees profit. Okay, then it is one, then the profit is good, right? Now here the profit, if we do intraday, it will be only 50 rupees profit. Okay, if you wait for 2 days, it will be 100 rupees profit. Intraday what happens? Today you lost, tomorrow you will make a profit, then again 2 days after you will make a loss, then again and then day after tomorrow you will make a profit. Okay, so in that calculation, if you see 100 minus 50 will be always 50 only, always you will be in that zone, only 50 rupees profit or 0 rupees loss or 100 rupees profit. But in positional target, what happened, when I told, I was telling that when this was a moving average was going on. Okay, this was a trend, it was going on, and when it is broken. Okay, when it is broken, so from here, when the candlestick close, when one candle close, so what happened, you took a position, and if you took a position at 13,900, now what is the profit you are getting? Almost it is a Nifty rise to 1,000 points. Okay, 1,000 points almost it rise. Okay, so from February 1st February to, if you see, today is 6th February, in 5 days almost you took 1,000 point in a Nifty. If you daily do trading, from here you took, then here you lost, then here you take profit, here you do loss. So that is a headache actually. Okay, that was I was making a point. In a positional trade, you will be always in a profit only, because if you ride the trend, it will be always profit, because you are taking 300 400 profits points. Whereas Whereas in a day-to-day trading, you have to take some loss and you have to take some profit. And buying option, whenever you are doing a buying option, you would buy at a ATM at the money only. And better you take a butterfly strategy, that you or a bull spread. Okay, what happen in a bull spread, you buy ATM, and out of the money you can sell it. Okay, in that case, what will happen is that at least a premium of the out of the money will you will get also. And what will happen that you will be riding the trend, and you will be not a if your view is correct on a bullish bias view, then you will be always in a profit. Okay, that is what I was telling. Okay, let's now do the analysis actually. So 14,930 has been met. So now what the next? So if you see, Nifty is now making a contracting triangle. Okay, a triangle it is making. So this is the fifth move, what I was telling. And in this fifth move, this fourth has been completed over here, and we are in the fifth move also. We have 5 waves. Okay, 5 waves. So let me told you, let me give you some analogy. So here is this one actually. And this is 1 2 3, and this is it has made some 4. Okay, and now it is we are going. Okay, like this. Okay, in a channel line. That what I was showing in from couple of couple of last videos also. So you can see here, this is the first wave, then this is second, and this is third, and this is fourth it is making. This is the fourth it is making. If you see, this is a zigzag. Okay, this is a triangle only. Okay, so in this triangle, so now you check, so 14,930 it make a gap up. Okay, it make a gap up. And what was the why was giving the target of 14,930? This one I will let you know once again also, for the viewers who have not seen the video. So this is what see, this is one, sorry, 1 minute. So I'll put the position here. So here, see, so see 1.68, 14,979 is coming. Okay, always I will give a one achievable target, means in between this 14,930 will come over here. So 14,930, what I was telling, that it will meet the target. Okay, so now so here you see, third wave is completed, and third wave is this is the minor internal wave analysis what I was doing. Okay, nobody will do the internal wave analysis, they will be always doing in the daily time frame. Okay, if you do the internal analysis, then you will be more clear, and you will be more in a position to take the correct right decision. So this is the third wave which is completed. And now if you see, this is the channel line, it is going on. Okay, and now what you are seeing here, this is one contracting triangle it is going on. Okay, see, this is one triangle it is going. Okay, so this is the triangle. Okay, so in this triangle, this is a 5-minute chart. Okay, so in this triangle, if you see what is this pattern is actually, I think I have never talked about this. A, B, this is C, and this is E, and you will become here, and there will be again an impulse. Okay, again an impulse. Okay, so what I am telling, that if this is third, what happened, this is fourth, and this is fifth is always in a position, somewhere it will terminate. Okay, so I am not fond of trading in fifth wave, because fifth can be impulse and fifth can be terminated before giving some hint. Okay, before giving some hint, you have not seen the fifth wave, how fifth wave, see how we fall before giving any hint, it will start falling. So that's why 14,350, if you remember, I was telling that my target actually 14,350. After that, Nifty the VIX rises, and it will do all this pattern, and it will again it will a straight fall like this. Okay, that's why I will be in, before only I was fond of trading third wave. Okay, this third wave I was fond of trading. So in the fifth also, I will be only trading the third wave. Okay, And fourth also I'll do a straddle, where Nifty straddle I'll do, play a straddle option strategy, where I'll short the call and short the put. And this one actually from here I'll see short 14,300 and 14,600, 15,600 I'll short like this, and I'll eat the premium and it's done. Okay, profit is done. So like this I used to do. So this is my fund of trade, this is my favorite trading strategy, what I was telling you. So now this is the third wave. Okay, in the third wave A B C D is doing, and now it can make a here double top. Okay, this is what a double top means. Okay, so third will make, and this will be make, it will make fifth and it will fall. Okay, otherwise if you see it can go till this one, this channel line you can mark it. Okay, 15,200 is still the target of this wave. Okay, this wave, which is this wave I'm telling. Okay, this fifth wave, the 15,200 is the minimal target of this wave. It can go and it can make all retail trader some greediness it will make, and it will fall. Okay, so in the fifth wave, if you also see that continuous divergence will be there. See, this negative divergence is also there in the fifth wave, where Nifty will be setting the parameter to fall. Okay, people will be always telling that fall will start where, fall will start where, fall will start where, Nifty will fall now. It is not like that. It is not like that. Nifty will fall. Okay, lot of money, big hands money are there, so they will sort out their position, then only they will make the fall in a Nifty. Okay, so what I was telling is that mark this position, guys. So 15,014 has been achieved, and 14,930, the my target has been achieved. Now I am out of long position. Okay, out of long position. Now if you see, if the 15,200 mark is crossed, or this 80 is crossed, I took some position, but still I am not optimistic to take any long position now. So it is better to go for a short. Okay, so short means you should not buy put or something like that. Put, until unless you should not buy a put until unless this triangle has been broken, this channel line has been broken. Okay, and I have already given you the 13 days moving average high and 13 days moving average low. If that is broken, okay, all those indicators will show you that now you can take a ATM put. Okay, ATM put, or you can take one bear spread. Okay, better go for a spread where you can save some of the money. Okay, if you are in a loss. Okay, so this is what I am giving. So now Nifty most probably 15,000, if this way, in this triangle is crossed, or this double ATH is crossed, so 15,100 to 200. So max to max 100 200 points is there for the Nifty to fall. Otherwise it can fall also. Tomorrow Monday it will do some gap up and then it can fall. Okay, so this is, or it can make some pattern like this, and it can fall like this, what I was telling. Okay, like this it will make a pattern, and all these things it will can make, and it will fall. So it can fall, but it will not fall so much that we should be worried about. Okay, this gap can be one of the support. Okay, so right now if I see from here to here, what is the suppose it takes, so 0.38 to 0.1, 14,300 minimum it can fall. 50%, if you see 50% of this retracement, if you see, it can fall. So once it falls, we will take a position, but we will also know how to get out of the position. Okay, that I will tell you. But once the fall will start, then only one leg will come, then only I can tell you how the fall will be. That's it for guys from the Nifty side. Okay, Nifty Bank also, if you remember my last video, I was telling that 36,000 will be the target. Okay, 36,000 I have given you the target, and it went there, and actually it make 36,400 or something, and then it fall. Okay, now this is what you see, this is the pattern what is making. Okay, this is pattern what is making. Now if it is going back to touch this ATH and it will fall, or otherwise if it is crossing this ATH and giving a close, then it can go to 37,000. This can be the one of the target for the 37,243 from where it can fall. Okay, so right now what I am optimistic is that to Monday it will say definitely it will rise. Okay, Monday is definitely a rise is there. Okay, after rise it might happen that on Tuesday it can we can see some kind of this one bearish move. Okay, Monday we will see in the Nifty also we can see some rise also, because what it is making is a triangle it is making, and that triangle I think it will break down on upward move. Okay, so if it is going to the I think so if it is going, then you can check. Okay, this channel line you can check. Let me go to the this one. I can show you how you can check the channel line, and you can take a trade in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty actually I don't do any so much of trade actually. I only play in the Nifty. So but I will give my view. What is the view actually in the Bank Nifty? See, it is making this channel line. So this is a channel line. So and this is a triangle actually. This is a triangle. So this triangle might happen that, see, this is the if you draw the trend line. So see, so this will cross, and what will be the target actually? If it is going actually, this flag, this can be the target. Okay, so 37,000 is on the card actually. So I think it can move up to 37,243 or something, and there we can see some one kind of simple a correction. Okay, not I'll not say fall. Okay, a correction we can see. Okay, and that correction it can come across around 35,000. Okay, around 35,000. If you let's check it. Okay, so that correction can be around 33,000 to 34,000. Once the fall will start, then only we can know how the correction is going on. But right now I see some rise, and after rise we can see, but here is main reason to be cautious, because this is a fifth move, and it can show you somewhere it will start falling. Okay, like this it is falling now, so you will think that it is falling. This is a correction only. This is a correction of the third wave. Okay, so if you see here, this is a correction of the third wave, so I don't see anything. I already told you that this one what it is making, this one 1 minute, and this is one, this is, sorry, I should put the extension tool. See, this is 1.6188. Yesterday or last Friday I have given you last Thursday I have given you that Nifty Bank can go to 35,000 around, and now I am telling that it will be go to 37,400 something. Okay, for 37,400 at neck to neck you should not go. You should have some zone to reach your target. Okay, now if it will go from here, it will go at least from here to 37,000, but this zone somewhere it will start falling, and you will not come to know. Okay, internal moves only 1 minute time frame you have to go, and you have to check where it can fall. Okay, so this also Nifty Bank also target met, and that is fine. So we will see some correction after it went to 37,400 around, or it will make a double top over here and will fall. Okay, let's say that's it guys. Be cautious for the if you have any long move. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to the video if you are liking it, so that you will get a updated view for next analysis. Bye.